Making chocolate ice cream can be very simple, and let me show you how to do this with just 3 ingredients. It's very simple. This is creamy and it tastes so good. So let's get started. We just need our milk powder, and into a bowl just put in your milk powder. I'm using non-dairy milk powder here. However, you can use your favorite milk powder to do this, or even your milk. Add in some warm water. The warm water is going to help dissolve the milk powder very easily, and it will help everything just comes together so smooth. So that is why I prefer using warm water to cold water. Now let's set this aside and go in with our unsweetened cocoa powder. Yes, unsweetened cocoa powder, you add in some warm water, mix these until you are able to get a smooth consistency. Just mix it very well until you're able to get a smooth consistency. You see, the unsweetened cocoa powder is a bit darker, so using that will help you achieve your chocolate color very well as compared to the sweetened cocoa powder. So let's get a strainer, and we are going to sift this into milk which we mixed from earlier. So you can see, if you don't strain it, there will be some lumps or some foreign materials, and we don't want that. We want a very smooth ice cream consistency, and that is what we want to achieve. Other than that, all of this will just get into the ice cream, and you might not be able to mix properly to clear all of that. So mixing this, and this is what we have. After everything, you should get something like this. And also, depending on how dark you want it to be, then you should add more of the unsweetened cocoa powder. I added in some condensed milk, which is going to serve as a sweetener. You can use honey or any sweetener of your choice, even sugar can do. So mix these until everything comes together, and look at it. It's very creamy. It tastes so good. And you can get these and then put them into your popsicle molds, or you can tie them into any rubber or nylon just like this, and then we'll transfer this into the freezer, and we are going to freeze this for about 6 hours or even more. And this is what we have. So our cocoa ice cream or chocolate ice cream is just ready. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if today is your first time, you are welcome. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Also, share this video to your friends and loved ones so they also benefit from this amazing community. Also, I will link all of the sweet and ice cream videos in the description and also on your screen right here. So do well to tap on it to enjoy the rest. See you soon. Bye.